Well, hello and welcome to this short exercise on solving trig equations, which I got from an iGCSE Additional Mathematics past exam paper, and therefore is suitable for S-level mathematics and also for 11th grade mathematics as well. It says solve the equation 6 sine squared x minus cos x minus 4 is equal to 0. And the range is between x is greater than 90 degrees and x is less than or equal to 90 degrees. So that's our range there. So we've got 6x squared minus cos x minus 4. So what comes to mind here? I want to make this, that suggests a quadratic expression there. But I got sine and I got x there. So what I'm going to do is to change that to be a function of cos x. Now we know that sine squared x plus cos squared x is 1. So what I do now is to say that replace sine squared x by 1 minus cos squared x. Now for doing that in the exam, you get 1 mark for doing that. If I now expand my bracket, I get 6 minus 6 cos squared x minus cos x minus 4 is equal to 0. If I now collect like terms, 6 minus 4 is 2. So we now end up with minus 6 cos squared x minus cos x plus 2 is equal to 0. If I then multiply each of the three terms by minus 1, I end up with 6 cos squared x plus cos x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now I'm going to try and factorize this now. I want two numbers such that when I multiply, I get minus 12, because 6 times minus 2 is minus 12. So I want two numbers, so that when I multiply, I get minus 12, and when I add, I get 1, because 1 being the coefficient of cos x there. And the numbers that come into mind are minus 3 and plus 4. So now I'm going to have 4 terms instead of 3 terms. That's what I got there. So I got minus 3x, so minus 3 cos x plus 4 cos x minus 2 there. Now, at this stage, you might have guessed that you're getting fed up with saying cos x all the time. So instead, I'm going to say let y is equal to cos x. So if that's the case, then this bit here then becomes 6y squared minus 3y plus 4y minus 2. Note here I've grouped. There, that's one group. That's the next group here. Now I'm going to factorize each of these groups in turn. Right, so what I've got is 3y into 2y minus 1 for the first group, and 2 into 2y minus 1 for the second group. Now both groups have got 2y minus 1 in common. So when I combine both groups, I now have my two factors of 3y plus 2 into 2y minus 1. So 3y plus 2 can be 0, in which case y is equal to minus 2 over 3. So cos x can be minus 2 over 3. Now because it's got a minus sign there, it then suggests to me that the x value has got to be in the second and third quadrants. Now let's check. Now if cos x is 2 over 3, then x is going to be 48.18, in which case for the second quadrant, the x value has got to be 180 minus 48.18. Okay, and for the third quadrant, the x value, so that gives a value. Okay, for the third quadrant, the x value is going to be 180 plus 48.18. And that gives us 2 to 8 plus 18 degrees. So clearly, these two are outside the range required. So we have to reject these two values there. Okay, so now go for 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives y is equal to a half, and cos x is equal to half. Now, this is positive number there. I mean that when cos x is a half, x has got to have the value 60 degrees, measuring anti-clockwise, or minus 60 degrees measuring clockwise. So our answer is going to be in the first and the fourth quadrant. So the answer is going to be 60 degrees and minus 60 degrees. So those are going to be our answers. I hope that makes some sense. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye now.